Welcome to PREMIA TNC YouTube channel. Are you looking to expand your business into Malaysia? Incorporating a company in Malaysia comes with a range of benefits, from strategic access to Southeast Asia's booming market to government incentives and a business-friendly environment. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of setting up a company in Malaysia, covering key advantages like a skilled workforce, cost-effective operations, tax benefits, and a transparent regulatory framework. Whether you're an entrepreneur or an investor, understanding these factors will help you make informed decisions for your business expansion. Stay tuned as we break down the steps and provide expert insights on company incorporation in Malaysia. Let's get started.
Looking for a strategic, business-friendly destination with global connectivity? Malaysia stands out as the ideal hub for growth, innovation, and regional expansion. Here's why. First, prime business destination. Malaysia is a top choice for investors thanks to its strong economic foundations and pro-business policies. Ranked among the best in ASEAN for ease of doing business, Malaysia offers a transparent, stable, and competitive environment. With strategic trade links and a gateway to ASEAN's 650 million consumers, Malaysia is where opportunities thrive. Plus, its focus on green technology and renewable energy aligns with global sustainability trends. Second, setting up is effortless. Register a private limited company in days with 100% foreign ownership allowed. The Companies Act 2016 ensures legal protection, while initiatives like My Digital fast-track digital businesses. Plus, funding and mentorship programs give startups the edge they need. Third, Malaysia is your springboard to ASEAN. As a founding member of AFTA, businesses enjoy tariff-free trade across 10 nations. Strategic projects in tech and manufacturing strengthen supply chains, making Malaysia the region's logistics heartbeat. Fourth, profit from unbeatable incentives, tax exemptions, reinvestment allowances, and sector-specific perks, especially for green tech and advanced manufacturing. The best part? Malaysia's transparent tax system ensures you keep more of your earnings. Fifth, tap into a talent goldmine. Malaysia's workforce is skilled, English proficient, and cost competitive. Government upskilling programs in AI and fintech mean you'll always have cutting-edge talent ready to drive your business forward. Sixth, location is everything. Malaysia sits at the crossroads of Asia with world-class ports, airports, and digital infrastructure. Whether you're trading with China, India, or ASEAN, everything connects here. Navigating regulations alone can be overwhelming. Here's why professional incorporation services are your best ally. First, navigating complex regulations with expert guidance. Malaysia's incorporation process involves multiple legal steps from licenses to compliance. One missed detail could mean delays or penalties. Professional services ensure every requirement is met accurately, so your business starts on solid legal ground. Second, leveraging local expertise for a smooth process. Local experts don't just know the rules, they understand the culture. Their government connections and market insights streamline approvals, while their advice helps you adapt your strategy for long-term success. Third, saving time and avoiding costly pitfalls. Time wasted on paperwork is time lost for growth. Professionals handle the bureaucracy, dodging errors that could cost you money or months of delays. Focus on your business while they ensure a flawless setup. Let's explore Malaysia's full menu of business structures to find your perfect match. Private limited company in Malaysia, known as Sendirian Berhad, is the most popular business entity, offering limited liability protection, a separate legal identity, and perpetual succession. It also allows for easier capital raising. To set up a Sendirian Berhad, you must register with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Core. The requirements include at least one shareholder and one director, 18 plus years old, and appointing a company secretary within 30 days of incorporation. In terms of taxation, Sendirian Berhad companies are subject to corporate tax rates, while resident SMEs enjoy reduced tax rates on their first 600,000 Malaysian ringgit. Additionally, 100% foreign ownership is allowed in most sectors. Malaysia's business-friendly environment makes Sendirian Berhad an excellent choice for entrepreneurs and investors. Next, sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is the simplest and most cost-effective business entity, but it's only available to local residents. It is owned by a single individual who has full control over the business. Unlike a Sindiran Berhad, a sole proprietorship does not offer limited liability protection. The owner is personally responsible for all debts and liabilities. Registration is done through SSM, under either the owner's name or a trade name, with low setup costs but annual renewal fees. Profits are subject to personal income tax rates, which may be higher than corporate tax rates. This structure is ideal for small-scale businesses, but it lacks access to significant capital and external funding. Entrepreneurs in high-liability industries should consider other options for better protection. Third, partnership. A partnership is a joint business structure owned by 2 or more individuals, with a maximum of 20 partners. It allows for shared responsibilities and combined expertise, making it ideal for businesses that thrive on collaboration. There are 2 main types: general partnership, where all partners share equal liability; limited partnership, where some partners have limited liability based on their investment. Registration is done with SSM, and while a partnership agreement is not mandatory, it is strongly recommended to prevent disputes over profit sharing, roles, and responsibilities. Tax-wise, partnerships are not taxed directly. Instead, profits are distributed to partners, who then pay personal income tax on their earnings. This structure is popular among professional firms, such as law and accounting practices, that rely on shared expertise and collaboration. Branch office in Malaysia. A branch office is an extension of a foreign company operating in Malaysia. It is not a separate legal entity, meaning the parent company remains liable for all debts and obligations. This structure is ideal for foreign companies looking to explore the Malaysian market without setting up a separate legal entity. However, it must conduct the same business activities as the parent company and has limited operational flexibility. To set up a branch office, approval from SSM is required, along with compliance with industry-specific licenses. Tax-wise, a branch office is taxed as a non-resident entity at a flat corporate tax rate and does not qualify for local tax incentives. Despite its limitations, this structure provides a direct presence in Malaysia, allowing companies to test the market or manage regional operations while maintaining centralized control. Fifth, representative office in Malaysia. A representative office is a non-commercial entity established by a foreign company in Malaysia. It cannot generate profit or engage in commercial transactions. Instead, its primary role is to conduct market research, feasibility studies, and liaison activities on behalf of the parent company. This structure is ideal for companies exploring the Malaysian market before making a larger investment. It allows businesses to gather insights on market conditions, regulatory requirements, and customer preferences. Approval for a representative office is granted by MIDA, Malaysian Investment Development Authority. The office must demonstrate financial support from its parent company and is typically approved for a limited period, with renewal options available. Although it does not contribute to revenue, a representative office serves as a low-risk entry point, helping businesses assess opportunities before committing to a full-fledged presence in Malaysia. Before launching your Malaysian business venture, proper preparation is key. The first step is selecting an appropriate business structure, whether a private limited company offering liability protection or a simpler sole proprietorship. This crucial decision will shape your documentation needs and compliance requirements. To ensure a smooth incorporation process, gather these essential documents: identification copies for all directors and shareholders, a comprehensive business plan detailing your objectives and strategies, your company's capital structure, including paid-up capital details, the proposed organizational chart showing initial directors and shareholders. Step 2. Conducting a company name search and reservation. Before registering your company in Malaysia, conducting a name search with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, is essential. Your chosen name must be unique, not misleading or offensive, and cannot closely resemble existing registered names. Special approvals are required for terms like bank, university, or royal. Once you've confirmed availability, SSM allows you to reserve the approved name for a limited period. To avoid delays, prepare 2 to 3 alternative names in case your first choice is rejected. This streamlined process ensures compliance and secures your brand identity before moving forward with incorporation. Next, submitting incorporation documents. To incorporate a company in Malaysia, key documents including the company constitution, statutory declarations, and SSM forms 24, 44, and 49 must be accurately completed and submitted to SSM. The MyCo ID online system simplifies digital submission, but requires careful data entry to avoid errors. Processing usually takes a few days, but delays may occur due to incomplete forms, name conflicts, or incorrect formatting. Prompt fee payment and professional assistance can help ensure a smooth approval process. Step 4. Securing business licenses and permits. Before launching your business in Malaysia, you must identify and obtain all required licenses and permits from relevant authorities. Industries like manufacturing, import or export, and F&B need specific approvals. Additional permits related to environmental, health, and safety regulations may also apply depending on your sector. Delays in securing proper licensing can lead to legal penalties and operational disruptions. So early preparation is key. To avoid compliance gaps, consider consulting industry experts or legal advisors who can help navigate regulatory requirements efficiently. Step 5. Opening a corporate bank account. New businesses in Malaysia must open a corporate bank account, with options including major local banks like Maybank and CIMB or international banks such as HSBC. Requirements typically include company incorporation documents, director or shareholder IDs, and a board resolution. Some banks may also conduct interviews, especially for foreign account holders. Services vary, with many offering multi-currency accounts and online banking for global transactions. Comparing fees and features is recommended to find the best fit, while building a relationship with a local bank can unlock future financing opportunities for business growth. After incorporation, companies must register with LHDN for taxation, including SST if applicable, and fulfill mandatory employee contributions, EPF, SOXO, and EIS. These registrations ensure legal compliance and employee benefits while avoiding penalties. Consulting tax experts helps optimize tax obligations and identify incentives, while proper record-keeping ensures ongoing compliance with Malaysia's evolving regulations. Starting a business in Malaysia may seem complex, but with the right expertise, it becomes a seamless journey. PREMIA TNC is here to simplify the process, from incorporation to compliance and beyond. With local expertise and tailored corporate solutions, we ensure that your business meets all legal and regulatory requirements while staying focused on growth. Beyond company incorporation, our comprehensive corporate solutions cover legal compliance, tax advisory, accounting, HR, payroll management, and more. This means that as your business evolves, you can rely on us to provide ongoing support and expertise at every stage. Proactive compliance and risk management are at the core of our services. We help businesses stay ahead of regulatory changes, mitigate risks, and maintain smooth operations without unexpected legal complications. Our proactive approach ensures that your company remains compliant at all times, reducing uncertainties and safeguarding your business's future. Ready to take the next step? Get in touch with us today and let's build your success together.